ham 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 ham. You look, you look them. What are they doing on the wall? They are they are sitting in, they are playing a game on the floor. You see? Oh, good, good boy. There are two members. They are the 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 son of each other. You know, which one is the older son and the younger son? I don't know too. You can see him. Yeah, you can see him one by one. Ah, good. Are you happy? Are you happy, boy? Happy? Wow. Maybe they are very so happy when they are serving about his egg. You know? Yeah, you can see one by one. Yeah, good. Uh, Maybe the end of the play game. Ah, bonjour, 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 bonjour. Hello. Wow, bonjour. Oh, hmm? Yes. They like I play in. Yeah, yeah. You can see only two members. They like each other so much. Yeah. So if now the game is finished, so I want to say goodbye everyone, everybody. If there is interested of video new, I will to show you again. Thank you so much, boy, girl, lady and gentlemen. See you next time. Goodbye.